Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Congeniality is candidate number 6. Congratulations. Next special award is our People's Choice Award. People's Choice Award goes to candidate number. Congratulations, candidate number 1. Miss Joton Canyon Disara. Congratulations, candidate number 1, our People's Choice Award. Pati pakpak mga higala. Next special award is our Miss Photogenic. And we will reveal the photo of our Miss Photogenic upstage. So may we request Miss Lars Rivera together with Miss Joton Canyon Disala. And our Miss Photogenic will receive a sash and her portrait. Congratulations. Next minor award is our Best in Production Number. Best in Production Number goes to candidate number. Who's your best? Candidate number. Candidate number 4. Congratulations. Candidate number 4 again. Sarika Quezon. Our best in production attire will receive a sash and a cash prize. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Next minor award is our Best in Neon Fashion Attire. Best in Neon Fashion Award attire goes to candidate number. Candidate number. Congratulations, candidate number 4. Our best in evening gown will receive a sash, a cash prize, and 1 box of pizza. Congratulations. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Pakpakan natin all of our winners for our special and minor awards. Congratulations, ladies.
Biday mo anak na yun. Kada mo may award. Dan, iya anak Dan. Number 4.
And by this moment, candidates, you may now take your base to exit first para mapagbutang ang inyong mga guest backstage. Ang hinahili ng mga palangga. And indeed, no, thank you so much to all of our sponsors. Indeed, dili gayud mo pa uli ang atong mga kandidata nga watch siya because all of them has received something special para kanila to appreciate their efforts in joining our pageant. So for now, ladies, congratulations, Nada and Sa. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, let us take this moment para pasalamatan ang atong matikbakon ng mga sponsors for this year's pageant of Miss Teen Santo Niño Territory 2026. Thank you so much to our beloved SK Chairman of Antigua Honor of Quezon, SK Canon Civiliano, Bantigui Barangay Officials, Honorable Mayor Orlando Alex Layase, Mr. Mike Miguel Gallego, the Barangay Captain of Putian, Dondon Ducay, Miss Eden Sosmena, Miss Joy Caniete, Mr. Noel Bruce Diller, Mr. Romel Doble, Terrain Store, A&A Cananan sa Bila, Mr. Joven Garcia, Miss Jolene Alcaz, Miss Anne May Dia, Miss Pizza Hair and Beauty Salon, Jexwell Food House, Lala Ribo of Lala Ribo's Boutique, Miss Dandan of Dandan's Boutique, Mr. Harold Escaro. Thank you so much. Maging ang pakpak sa ating mga sponsors, mga kaigalaan. And yes, at this moment, friends, dili po may tabo, may alin na successful ang atong pageant balo o panahungan, ha? Successful na adaan. For our choreographer, thank you so much, Miss Kian Tira Jr.